Marianne Driscoll.
Good afternoon. I'm Frances Sarah Whittelsey. Today I have some questions for you. Would you take action if you had the chance to improve the health of the people who live and work in Huntington? If you could improve the quality of the air we breathe in our town? Would you act if you could improve the quality of life here in Huntington, making it a more peaceful and tranquil place to live? Here's the thing. You did take action to do those things when you passed a ban on gas leaf blowers, but then you took it back, leaving us all to endure another year of harm from the blowers. I am here this afternoon representing the 200 members of the Unitarian Universalist Fellowship of Huntington. Our members rarely vote as a congregation on a public issue, but we've done so to urge you to reinstate this ban as soon as possible. I'm not going to repeat the litany of reasons why these blowers must go, and letters and emails and testimony you heard today. You've heard about the impact of the obsolete two-stroke motors that power these blowers. You've been offered demonstrations of electric replacements. You've been given lists of the cities and towns all over the United States that have banned the blowers. You've heard complaints galore about the ear-splitting noise. Yet knowing all this, you chose to listen to some members of the landscape industry and rescinded the ban. You listened to those who refused to change the way they do business, regardless of the consequences to their workers and the community. They refused to adjust, unlike all the rest of us who've seen our jobs change, who've been forced to adapt to new technology. Ironically, landscape companies and other communities that have adopted electric equipment find themselves with a business that's cleaner, healthier, and still profitable. I wonder, how do you feel when you see a worker with a blower? Do you feel empathy for the noise and toxic pollution they endure all day long? Do you consider the injustice of a job that forces them to endanger their health? And how do you feel when you hear that children with asthma must be kept inside when a blower is used nearby? Do you care about the night shift workers who are trying to sleep during the day, but whose rest is interrupted by the blast of noise from a blower? I hope, as you consider these absolutely real scenarios, that it shocks your conscience to let this continue. You swore an oath to put us first, to act for the welfare of this community, not a narrow segment of the business community. It's your moral obligation as people of principle to stop the scourge of these blowers, reinstate the ban, and do it as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you. Marianne Driscoll, followed by